Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to put a roller on your dishwasher rack. It's a pretty easy job, no tools required. Let me show you how it's done. The first step in this repair is to remove the upper dish rack. It's a lot easier to replace the part with the rack out on a convenient workspace. To do so, pull the rack out as far as it'll go, and holding the guide rails, push the rack back out of the way. Remove the guide stops by rotating the tab towards the center of the dishwasher, sliding the guide stop out. Do the same on both sides. Now the rack will pull completely out of the track, and we can put it on a convenient workspace. To replace the upper rack roller, you need to separate the tab that holds it onto the rack. Press it backwards, tilt it down, and the roller will come right off. New roller, slide it onto the shaft, rotate the clip until it locks onto the rack. Now we're ready to reinstall the rack in the dishwasher. To reassemble the rack in the dishwasher, pull the guide rails out fully, locate the rear wheels into the tracks, sure both sides go in. Reinstall the guide stops. Sure they're pressed firmly onto the end of the guide. Snap the clips back in place. And repair is complete. That's just how easy it is to put a roller on your dish rack. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.